The tale of the bare tree. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we'll be diving into a beautiful and evocative phrase in the English language, bare tree. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it in different contexts. Imagine a tree during the peak of winter or late autumn. The leaves have fallen, and the once green and lively branches now stand exposed. The tree appears empty, with its branches and trunk plainly visible against the sky. This is what we refer to as a bare tree. The word bare means lacking a usual or appropriate covering. It signifies exposure or being devoid of something. In the context of our phrase, it's talking about a tree without its usual covering, its leaves. The word tree is likely familiar to most of you. It's a tall plant with a woody stem, branches, and leaves. But when paired with bare, it takes on a more poetic and specific meaning. Let's look at some examples to better understand its use. 1. The bare trees in winter give the landscape a stark beauty. 2. As autumn progresses, we can see more and more bare trees around. 3. The sun setting behind the bare tree created a breathtaking silhouette. The phrase, bare tree, doesn't just refer to the physical state of a tree. It can also be used metaphorically. For instance, a bare tree might symbolize feelings of loneliness, emptiness, or vulnerability. It can also represent a phase in life where one might feel exposed or without protection, much like a tree without its leaves. And there you have it. The next time you come across the phrase, bare tree, whether in a book, a song, or in daily conversation, you'll know exactly what it means and the emotions it can convey. Remember, language isn't just about understanding words but also the imagery and feelings they evoke. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning!